Hey guys, Big Jonas here, checking in on Bitcoin's current 4-hour chart here. So, we've been putting in these higher lows ever since we basically had our recent bottoming here in this $3,500 area. We did a full 9 cycle on our 4-hour, and now we're definitely finding that stiff resistance in this area that we were trying to achieve at the $4,400 area. We were expecting it to be major resistance once we were able to get up here. We see that the price did hold here previously before back testing that $4,400 area and finding it as resistance last week, and that's what brought us our last little push bearish here, basically coming back up to retest that and still finding this area a very strong resistance as we were riding up our upper Bollinger here. Now the 4-hour bullishness has allowed our EMA 12 and 26 to cross bullishly here, and they're still holding up our current price action as we speak. So I would be looking for these two EMAs to hold support around this $4,100 area, noting our middle BB is around 39.60 and continuing to rise here. Now looking at our RSI here, we do have a clear double top, but we get rejected here on the 63 area after our nice rise from getting out of the depths here of our bearish move here. But definitely we have a very strong, clear rejection here in this area and looking to basically potentially hold up in these higher areas above 50. Our stochastic have been ranging up in this area for a while. We were able to get both our indicators to double tap our top line here. Now we are currently crossing bearish, but we are still holding above our 80 line as well. And our MACD has risen very nicely. Both indicators are now in the positive. However, we are putting in lower histograms. We do have a turn right now in our leading indicators showing there is a little tiring of our bullish momentum. Lastly, here our chalk and money flow. Again, another example here, potentially a double topping area here. Like we see, we're able to get back into this area and kind of near this area where it's been shown to have previous other tops before we actually start to decline once again. So, we've still been able to get a nice 4-hour movement from our bottoming here, and it wouldn't be surprise me if we try and find some support here. But for right now, this $4,400 area is clearly acting as strong resistance. As long as we're able to hold above 4K, though, the bulls definitely still have a chance to consolidate and move forward.